A 20-inch wheel is inherently 40% stiffer laterally than a 700C wheel, making it the superior choice for loaded gravel riding if you choose the right tire volume. The secret to off-road small wheel performance isn't suspension, it's the 406 rim standard. Unlike the road-oriented 451 size, 406 shares dimensions with BMX, unlocking high-volume tires that are mandatory for rough terrain. Small wheels suffer from a steeper angle of attack when hitting obstacles, causing harsh deceleration. To compensate, we rely on pneumatic suspension. A 2.0-inch tire running at 35 psi provides roughly 40 millimeters of effective travel. For the wheel build, lateral stiffness is high, but rim strength is critical. We recommend the Sun Ringle Rhino Light or Velocity Cliffhanger. Their wider internal profiles support the tire sidewall during low-pressure cornering to prevent squirm. Tire choice is a trade-off between rolling resistance and grip. The Billy Bonkers is your fast-rolling hardpack choice, while the Maxxis DTH offers superior side knob traction. For pure durability, the Surly Extraterrestrial is heavy but nearly puncture-proof. Gearing must be calculated differently due to the small wheel circumference. A standard gravel crankset will spin out too fast. We need a larger chainring to maintain speed, balanced with a wide-range cassette for climbing torque. This specific gear inch calculation ensures you can climb a 15% grade fully loaded. By pairing a 40T chainring with an 11 to 42 cassette on 20-inch wheels, we achieve a crawler gear of just 19 gear inches. Braking requires mechanical discs like TRP spears or hydraulics. Small wheels rotate faster for a given speed, generating heat more rapidly at the rotor. Never use rim brakes for small wheel gravel. The rim surface area is too small to dissipate heat effectively. Here is your baseline component list for a reliable adventure build. Remember, the shorter wheelbase makes handling twitchy, so prioritize wider bars, 44 cm+, to slow down the steering response. Build wide, ride low, and keep exploring.